Hi folks, my name is Tom.Peterson and I'm proud to do a video presentation for you today of this beautiful 2018 Freedom Express Liberty Edition by Coachmen Manufacturing, and it's a model 293 RLDS Liberty Edition. So the Liberty Edition part of that, it means it has an upgraded interior, some upgraded refinements on the outside, one of them being this beautiful full cap over here, which we'll kind of go over towards the end as well. But I want to start out on the inside. It's really a cool floor plan with 3 slide outs. Come on in. Anytime we talk about having a feature to a travel trailer, I always talk about there being 4 floor plans. Well, this is one of the main floor plans that are out there. It's called a rear lounge, a rear living. And what you want with a rear living is a nice window or windows on all the sides and nice view. The slide outs that we have here are going to be opposing each other. So once again, it gives you plenty of room when you want to do some extended traveling or you want to spoil yourselves. Just because you like to do weekend camping, you want to have a nice big place. This is really, really cool and special. You have a lot of room to entertain people. You have the sitting area right here. You have the 2 chairs that are, looks like they're swivel rockers here. You're going to have the other side over here, which is going to be a sitting area. And what's nice about this design, they do put it that way because you've got these nice big full drawers that come out. So you're going to have that on both sides, not just the one side. You have a table that's designed to be portable, so you can move that around as you see fit as well. Big window there. The windows they have on each side here that are going to open up, giving you lots of ventilation, so you have a lot of cross ventilation here. And then you're going to have a nice kitchen with lots of counter space here. So you've got the pantry in that area and some drawers that slide out. 1 and 2 there. You got this big drawer there for pots and pans. You're going to have some storage that's underneath the area here, this little L kind of area for counter. There's the sink. And you're going to have all this counter space that we have through here, the 3-burner stove, and your microwave, more storage up top here as well too. But really nice solid surface counters. You've got yourself a trailer here that's really designed for extended travel if you need to. It's well made, nice counters, nice cabinetry, and they build these coaches with a vacuum lamination process that has an Asdale product in there, which by Coachmen swears is some of the best type of product to use that's non-wood in the lamination process. If we look back over here to my left here, you're going to have this little fireplace, which will be electric. So you just kind of can have a remote control, I believe, that works it. But if you have any questions, give me a call at the end of this video. My number will be there to confirm how it works for sure. But you've got your electric heat here and your furnace in the floor still, and you've got your TV that can be moved around and seen from many locations from the kitchen all the way to both the sides you have in the main living area. This right here is going to have also another closet for your hanging jackets, not too far from your main door entrance, which is nice to have. And then you're also going to have a little storage, it looks like, down below here too, which always helps. And we've got a place here to set things when you're going in and out of the main door too. The bathroom's going to have an opportunity to come in from the main living area here. Look how big that bathroom is. You got a nice big radius shower there, lots of linen and closet space inside the bathroom, and a big skylight. You can see it's really well lit in there. And then you're going to have the other opportunity here that you can then go right into your master bedroom. And look at how big this master bedroom is. You've got a nice full-size queen. You've got lots of storage that is in above here. You got your reading lamps. You got a nice little window there. Place to set things by the head of the bed over there as well. But look at all this storage here. That just saw there, we do have that Dyson vacuum that comes with it, so it's nice to have that. And then you have all this this storage. So it's a true bedroom slide. You see some where they have wardrobe slides and all that goes out is a little closet. So this is nice to have it this way. You got plenty of room to get in and out of the bed, plenty of room to change clothes, and you've got just a really super storage for all of your things, especially if you'd again want to go on extended traveling. So nice height as well in here for those tall folks that want to go out camping. You know, some of the travel trailers we have, you know, if you're 6'4", you're in tough shape. And this one here looks like you can kind of go up to somewhere close to 6'8", 6'9", or something, and be pretty tall height there. You got more storage here. Place you can put an additional TV in the master if you want to as well. And then you've got this additional light that comes from these windows that you have on both sides of this storage area too. So travel trailer, you want to go extended, you want to spoil yourself on the weekends, you can. This is a 29-footer that's going to give you a lot of room with all those slide outs and a true bedroom slide, which really helps a lot for being able to have that space to get around and maneuver and have lots of wardrobe space. So let's go outside. I'll show you some of the other features and we'll finish up there. On the outside, you're going to have your main patio awning that runs in this first part here where your main door is, and then you're also going to have an awning that you see right here that's going to be a part of this other slide out. That's that living room slide. You do have a little place here for cooking, so you can still have that. Coleman. And you've also got a refrigerator, and you'll have that big awning that comes out covering that area. If we go back over here, you kind of can take a look and see you've got these windows, which are a frameless window, which are an improved window. It's easy for opening and shutting those on the inside. They're dark tint, and they also don't have the rubbers that can sometimes have access to fading and cracking in time. So they're a low maintenance window, and that's kind of what the future is looking at for these higher end trailers. You also have the bumper there and your ladder, so you have an access to get up on the roof if you ever need to. Guaranty offers free roof inspections twice a year for our customers, so take advantage of that. But you're going to have these nice big windows in the back here for that rear lounge. And then we can kind of see that you've got nice seals on here for your slide outs that you have. It makes it fit real nice and tight. So Coachmen does a great job with that. I think you'll find that you'll be very happy with this product. If you have any questions, of course, you'll be able to give me a call at the end of this video. As we come back towards the front, I was going to point out that it has nice LED accents in this full cap. So having that full cap on there means it runs all the way from the lower part all the way up into that top crown up there. It makes it really nice and solid and well protected from water and wind and all the things that could happen down the road. So I like the way that's set up. Also a nice feature too, this has a leveling system that you can do with the buttons all in the controls right here. So you see you can control your left, right, rear, front, right, rear, all that. You can do all that from this control. It makes it very nice. And you'll have your spare tire that's up underneath the front there, so you don't have to worry about that bothering you in the back. And then you're also going to have, what I like on this side here is seeing that we have storage. And that's underneath the bed. So you got a lot of storage there. Your outside shower, your black tank flush, your cable systems. And you're also going to have this other opposing slide out over here as well. The hot water heater access, your furnace. When it comes down to products that Guaranty carries here in Junction City, is we have lots of different brands, lots of different trim levels, pretty much a trailer for everybody's taste. If you are interested in looking at more trailers like this, any questions about this particular one, call that number at the end of the video and I'll answer any questions you need to know about and also tell you about the other products that we carry. But remember, at Guaranty in Junction City, it's an RV show every day.